How to create YouTube Kids profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube Kids profile for your child. This will help you ensure a safe and age appropriate viewing experience. So let's get started. First, we need to go to the YouTube Kids app here. Once you're in the profile, it will ask you to solve this problem. You need to simply click on it, and once you have done that, you need to choose a content experience for your child. You need to select the appropriate age of your child. I'll choose older, and once I have done that, you need to click on select. Now, you need to go to, then tap on done, and then you need to click on I agree. Once you have done that, you are signed in. In order to make the profile, you need to tap on get started. You need to enter the year where you were born, so simply tap on 2006. Now you can select your email address in order to sign in. I'll select mine and then tap on sign in. You need to read all the guidelines and then you need to tap on done. Once you have done that, you need to enter your Gmail password. Now you need to enter your kid's first name. Let me enter my kid's first name, Sanju. Now you need to enter the age of the kid. Let me say 8 years old. And it's optional, but I'm still adding the birthday month and return. Now you need to go to next step and you need to go to yes. Then you need to click on select. Once you have done that, your profile is now created. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.